Alright, good day everyone. This is an absolute walkthrough for cat Id Paws. So if you are just starting with this, just click on the link that you have for this. So once you click on the link, you have the play now button. So once you click on the play now, this bot begins to load, and we just have to wait for this to load up. So this is actually season 3 of this particular airdrop. Season 1 has passed away, season 2, season 3. So now let's just head up to zone tab. Okay, zone tab is where we have our daily combo for cat Id Paws. So for example, now I'll take you through the combos for today. The combos for today, the first one is under the office tab. Well, okay, we are here already, which is okay, I need to get that. Okay, which is this. So just click on this and it will load up, and you can see at the top that is successful. So if we head up, you can see we have this already. So we need to take the second one. The second one is under pet shop, okay, which is star cookies, and lastly yummy food. Okay, so we get our 2 million rewards already.